think art for me has always been part of my life, and this is just a way of really showcasing art in the form of something that you make or you vinify, and it's a piece of art that you can give to somebody. If you think vineyards, it's definitely a long-term investment. I don't think it's a day-to-day thing. I always say what we benefit from as winemakers and viticulturists today was planted, 30, 50 years ago. I think it's different nowadays at L'Avenir. So whatever we put into the soil, it is put into the soil with the mindset of really benefiting the next generation. I think what we see today with the versatility and the aging ability of Pinotage, and not just that, the overall, sales and growth of it has been substantial. And for that reason, I really think that we've got a bright future ahead of us. Use the versatility, hit various markets, and really just open up business throughout the globe.